made for this.
Looks like I have the advantage.
Make way for Ka-chow! Yes! Oh, bring it on!
What's the big idea?
Yes! I better pick it up. Oh! Woohoo! Oh yeah! Yeah! Awesome! Nice knowing ya! Just a little something I picked up from a friend. Ka-chow! Yeah!
Warning. High-level weapon in play.
Just a little something I picked up from a friend. This is why they call me Lightning! Oh, no you don't!
Hey, watch it!
Get serious.
Warning. High-level weapon in play.
No one can match my speed!
Just a little something I picked up from a friend. Come!
Missile launcher acquired.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Ka-chow and kaboom! Get serious. Yes! See how you like this. Yes! Nice knowing you. Time to get serious. Ow! Hey!
Oil slick acquired.
All right. Oh yeah! Oh hey! Rocket! Ka-chow! All right.
Warning. High-level weapon in play.
Good. Ka-chow! Oh no you don't!
Warning. High-level weapon in play.
You need black market parts to do this!
Hasta! This is why they call me Lightning!
Where you going?
See ya!
You look like a bunch of go-karts! You think you're all that?
Splendid! Bye!
Hey, watch it!
You know, I quite like this.